So slide. At first, when I tried it, it seemed impossible. I thought it can't be done, but actually, it's pretty easy. I will show you 2 ways how you can do it, and afterwards, write in the comments below if that helped you. But anyway, it helped me. So, first, the position is very important. You need to be like sitting down. It helps when you extend your arms like this to balance, sitting down. So, as low as you can. The second step, when you're skating like that, just do half lemons with both legs, like this. Okay, got it? Okay. So, that was the second step. The third step is the same position, low, slow as you can, doing the half lemons and like doing them like explosively, really fast, like this. Okay, got it? Okay. Now, when you master this and you don't fall, you can just leave the leg you're doing the half lemon with to the front and keep it there. I will show you. So basically you have done the soul slide. Really easy, right? So just sit down, do the half lemon and keep the leg at front. Doesn't matter if it's the right leg or left. It's easier for me the left leg, but majority of people like to use the right leg. So that was the first method. The second is actually even easier. Just again stay low, but there's a twist. Your legs have to be like this. You see, like you have to be. Oh, the rhymes. Anyway, staying low and like you have to be, and then just move one leg, make the one leg straight, move it to the front, like that. I'll show you. Low, have to be, low, be, then just move one leg to the front. So when you practice it, you will get better at it. Anyway, that helped me, so please tell me if it helped you. And anyway, I'll go skate some more.